This method of cooking beans and yam is a great way to make your kids eat beans if they don't like eating beans. You guys, you can agree with me that some kids find eating beans boring if you don't make it in a way it will attract them. So watch till the end to see how I made this. Hello lovelies, let's get started. To make this recipe, I'll be using chicken thighs. Go ahead and use any protein of your choice. I've already washed and I'm going to transfer in my pot. Add some chopped onions, seasoning powder and salt. I will also add some fresh curry leaves for more flavor. Mix very well to combine and allow it to cook on a medium heat for 6 to 8 minutes. You guys, this is soft chicken, so it doesn't take time to cook. Meanwhile, I will cut, peel, wash my yam and set aside. 8 minutes later, I check on the chicken and take it off the heat. I'm going to place in my baking tray, brush it with soy sauce for more flavor. Place in my preheated oven for 10 minutes. To make the stew base, I will add vegetable oil in a pot. Allow it to heat up. Next, I will add my chopped onions and fresh curry leaves. Allow it to fry until translucent. Next, I will add my tomato paste, not too much. I'm going to mix very well to combine and allow it to fry until the sour taste is gone. Next, I will add some cooked pepper mix. Mix very well to combine, and I'm going to add my yam as well as the stock. More water to cook the yam and allow it to cook on a medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I will add my already cooked beans which I brought out from my freezer. You guys, this method will save you lots of stress. I cook beans in large quantity, portion it and store in my freezer. Whenever I want to eat beans, I will bring one out, warm it, and my fresh beans is ready. So I'm going to cover and allow it to cook for 8 minutes on a low heat. We'll come back to it shortly. 8 minutes later, I check on it and give it a good mix, and it's ready. It turned out so delicious. Serve and enjoy. Look at that chicken. Try this recipe and let me know what you think about it. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.